this thing's set up perfectly on our test piece. Check this out. Here's the test piece. So initially, you can see I was blowing through, so I toned it down a little bit, and then towards the center started getting a little bit better, like right here. Then all the way over here started getting pretty nice. See? Right there. It's not too bad. I had it dialed in, but then when I started doing this over here, I started freaking burning right through. So all this crap here is just me trying to fill in a bunch of holes I made. Not pretty, but it's not leaking, so I don't care.